Welcome, my name is Artist 857 and today I'm going to be showing you how you would create your background for free with Pantzoid. It is pantzoid.com, link in the description below to the website. And yeah, so when you get to the website, you see 3 new options. This one was just new today, Clipmaker 2. But you just want to blank these guys out right here and you want to go to background number 3. So you want to go click on it and it will show it like this. And you can pick like a template. So like say if I want a liney template like that, and then it would have lines. Or if I want like maybe this technology kind of background, techno background, it would be like that. I'm gonna leave it in a techno background. And how you do a banner is YouTube 1. You can also make an avatar, thumbnails, Twitter page, Facebook cover, and lots of that. So we're going to be doing the banner. Background color, you can change it, but it won't do anything. Like, look, if I go red, it's not really going to do anything. I go black. And the only thing it does is it changes the line, which is like right in the middle. Yeah, but let's go to layers and it will show the layer that you used, which was checkers for this template. So you have a liner gradient, all this stuff. I'm going to go with the color palette and you can change like the gradient color, like maybe get a red and then maybe get a black. Those are the 2 nice colors. You want to go for a liner gradient and then it would change like that. Of course you got your radial gradient. I'm going to go with liner, and you can change the opacity, checkered, turn that on, it's going to look like that. I prefer it off, in my opinion. And you can also upload an image, blah, blah, blah. There's the writing. For some reason when you click on it, it changes, but forget about that. You can also add some more images, like you can add some lines with it maybe. Nah, but I'm just going to not do that right now. And when you go to overlays, you can add a fade out from the bottom, but it doesn't really matter when you're creating a banner because it won't fit in the banner. You're going to add a channel shadow. I'm not going to add any of those. We're just going to go to text and images. And so first you got your show you like Spirit Run, which is the first text that is always added. You can add more text by clicking this and add photos. And this is where you change your text. So I'm going to I'm going to put in my YouTube name, which is Virus857, and it looks like that. You can change the font. There's like a million of fonts. They're all good. You get double feature and all this stuff. But I think today we are just going to go with gunplay. Or maybe, let's go with gunplay. And you can change your color. And I'm just going to leave it at white. And of course you can change the size. So if I just want to hold it, keep holding it until like maybe 200, yeah. And then it would go like that. Maybe not that big, because say you want to add like another thing, like maybe you want to add, if you have a vlogging channel, which I don't. I'm just using this as an example. Just going to move that down and then reshape this like that. I'm gonna go vlogs, and I would recommend you adding the same font you used before on it, like that, and it gives the person more of an idea of what you're doing. Like if you're doing gaming content, if you're doing vlogs. So I like to put like a little telling you how I do this and yeah, blah blah. So you can go again, but when you're doing it at the bottom, you don't want it to be too big. Like maybe 90 at the most. You get a text border. You have to go with thickness too, because if you go overboard with it, and then your text becomes this. So yeah, I recommend a 2. And you can also add a text shadow, which gives a nice little shadow. I like to go with a very big blur that shadows. And I'm just going to go back to Firedust reshape it a little bit because it's not really reshaped. And other than that, they used a thickness 4, so I'm just going to lower that down because with the text shadow, it's going to look a bit funky with a high thickness. So what you want to do is you want to go, again, high blur. And look at that. And that's basically your banner right there. Of course, you can add images like your Twitter, telling you to Twitter, blah, blah, blah. But when you're done all this, you just go down here and click download background. You go to click download. It shouldn't take long. It should only take a few seconds. And a few ads will pop up, blah, blah, blah. It will say open. And I like to always go to open folder, make sure I'm putting it in the right folder. So it'll be right here. You can rename it, of course, like people do. You can go, my banner. Spelled a little weird. I thought I had my caps on. But yeah, you can just take that your pictures or whatever folder you use. And yeah, you just go up and upload that to YouTube. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned. And make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Bye.